Hi and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 218i M Sport Coupe. It's a 2018 18 plate vehicle, comes with a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit alongside some sought after optional extras from BMW, and is presented in the very sought after Alpine white. The front of the car, you can see the facelifted headlamps. Alongside that, we've had the 18-inch M Sport alloys fully refurbished in gloss black. Sitting behind those alloys, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this 2 Series, that means we've got the full M Sport Plus package. Down the side of the car, as well as being able to see, it's a very clean and tidy example. We've added the satin side vinyls, YNC Mperformance decals, and the sun protection glazing once more as part of that M Sport Plus package. This 2 Series comes with the black Dakota leather, which has the heated and the electric lumbar options and is in superb condition throughout. This vehicle is a very low mileage car, has covered just over 15,000 miles, has the 7-speed automatic gearbox. Once more comes with Harman Kardon, of course, thanks to the M Sport Plus package. The rear seats for the 2 Series is a Isofix 2x2 arrangement with a central storage tray and has got the black darkened M Sport headlining, of course. Moving round to the rear of the car, where you can see again those alloys really sit nicely against the Alpine white. Another nice feature for the Facelift 2 Series was the sharpened LED rear lights. It has got the M rear spoiler along with the standard ferric grey rear diffuser. If you've not seen in the boot space for a 2 Series, whilst this is a very nice looking car, of course it still needs to function as a practical vehicle, and it will do so with that large size boot along with split folding seats. At the driver's side, once more you can see how clean and tidy this vehicle is, alongside how well it works with all the additions we've made. And I shall go through, take a seat inside and just run yourselves through a couple of the major talking points and features. It comes with extended storage, so you can see there you've got a few more storage places around the car. With the facelift, you get this lovely LED backlit dashboard display, which will show you in a bit more depth. Comes with speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. There you can see 15755, and that lovely LED dashboard display really looks the part. On the BMW Business Navigation and Media, we've also got the Connected Drive Plus, which gives you access to online search, news and weather apps, keeping you connected, alongside a great way to search things whilst on the go. Navigation, real clever system. This uses real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. It's got both Bluetooth audio and telephone, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs including DAB, and it's got USB, and of course we've mentioned the Bluetooth audio. Down here is the dual climate controls, and of course these switches for these lovely heated seats, which of course in any 2 Series is a very rare and sought after option, and of course an essential one, especially being as we are coming into the colder months. In terms of the vehicle's history, it's got full BMW service history. The next service is not due for 11,000 miles time, and as you can see there, the rest of the service requirements are all in green. It's had both a pre-delivery inspection service and its first service carried out, as you can see there. So once more, thank you very much for taking the time to watch one of our walk around videos, and of course you can check out further details on this wonderful car, along with all of our full range of our 2 Series that we have a great wide array of on our website, which I'll always leave linked in the description, along with contact information for ourselves here. Thank you once more, and do of course take care, and we'll look forward to seeing yourselves very soon. Bye bye.